everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deeper look at Cold Wallet, a new multi-chain crypto wallet project that's currently in pre-sale with its native token. So we walk through the platform together, explore its features, check out the tokenomics and roadmap, and also show you step by step how you can buy the token safely if you're interested. So guys, before we get started, don't hesitate to join our community by subscribing, and don't forget to leave your comments below, and let's get started. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto project. So your investments are your responsibility. So here is the thing in crypto. Wallets can be kind of messy. A lot of wallets only support one chain, and some make it really hard to manage multiple tokens. Fees and transfers can be slow, and in some cases you don't even control your own keys, which honestly defeats the purpose of crypto, right? That's where Cold Wallet steps in. The solution they're building is a multi-chain crypto wallet that's fast, secure, and designed with the user in mind. You'll be able to store, send, and receive crypto assets across blockchains, and it's all done through a super clean, even chat-based interface. And then on top of that, they have their native token, so CWT, which actually powers the utility inside the wallet. So, all right, let's talk about what Cold Wallet is offering right now. So the project is in its pre-sale phase. We will check everything. So just here you can join the pre-sale. So you should just enter your wallet, so you can use MetaMask or whatever you want. At the moment, the price per token is 0.009, as we see, guys. So less than a cent. And yeah, that's kind of price point that early supporters usually like to get in at. Okay, now beyond just the token sale, let's talk about what the wallet itself offers. So first, it supports multiple blockchains, so you don't have to juggle different apps. You're in full control of your keys, so no one can track your funds. And it's built with community rewards and token utility in mind. So security plus growth are both backed into the model. And after the pre-sale, the wallet launch with multi-chain support is right around the corner. Then in future updates, we'll see staking, analytics, premium features, and even governance tools for token holders. So it's not just a wallet, it's a whole ecosystem. Now let's quick go over the roadmap. So Q1 2025, token presale and community growth. Q2 2025, launch of the wallet with multi-chain support. And Q3 2025, staking, analytics, premium features, okay? And Q4 2025, the token listings on exchanges and governance features. So yeah, the pre-sale is just the first step. There is a pretty clear plan for how the project evolves. Okay, now let's actually take a look at the platform itself. When you go to purchase coldwallet.com, this is the dashboard you'll see. Right at the top, you'll notice your cold start rank. Everyone starts at rank 1, okay? And as you buy and hold the token, you can unlock higher ranks with extra perks. In the center, you see how your total balance, your coin worth at launch, and any referral earnings. And then over on the right side, there is a leaderboard. It shows the top wallets and their total transactions. Now, if we head into the buy, the token section, it shows much has already been raised. Right now, it's over 6.4 million, and how many tokens are left in this stage? About 57 million, okay? Current price around 0.00998, and here you can choose to buy with Ethereum, USDT, BNB, or other supported currencies. All you do is type in how much Ethereum or USDT you want to spend. It calculates how much token you'll get, then you confirm in your wallet. Pretty straightforward. Or let me just lay it out step by step. So go to the link, I will drop it in the description. Of course, connect your wallet. MetaMask works fine, so I highly recommend MetaMask, and you can choose whatever you want. Pick your payment option, Ethereum, USDT, or BNB.
enter the amount you want, click buy, and confirm the transaction. And once that's done, your tokens show up in your dashboard. Now let's check some information in the tokenomics. So the token has a total supply of, as you see, 10,000 million tokens. A big portion is allocated for pre-sale and community rewards, which helps avoid concentration in just a few wallets. At the current stage, like I mentioned, it's under a cent. That's why the pre-sale is attracting so much attention. But again, reminder, pre-sales carry risk. Always keep that in mind, okay? And Cold Wallet also has a bunch of utilities lined up. The interface is super clean, very intuitive. You'll be able to do cross-chain swaps directly in the application, and you'll be able to do cross-chain swaps directly in the app. They've got a reward program, so you can earn USDT on swaps and referrals, and unified wallet balances, meaning everything's in one place. And that invoicing feature I mentioned earlier, if you're a freelancer or business, you can send invoices in either fiat or crypto. So it's a wallet that actually does more than just see there. And of course, you can get it on your mobile, so you can check the site and you can install it if you're an Android user or an Apple user. So it's available in both, okay? Alright, so let's wrap this up. Cold Wallet is aiming to give crypto users a secure multi-chain wallet with real utility. It's currently in pre-sale, so early supporters can get under a cent per token. And if you want to explore it more, all the official links, website, pre-sale roadmap, and socials are down below in the description box, of course. But yeah, remember again, this is not a financial advice. I'm just showing you how it works. Always double check everything before investing. And thanks for watching, guys. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to join us in the Telegram channel. I will drop the link in the description, of course. And let me know in the comments, would you actually use a wallet like Cold Wallet for your crypto? All right, I'll see you in the next one.